In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a free account on ProtonVPN. Firstly, go to the ProtonVPN website and click on Sign Up or Create an Account. If you already have an account, click on Sign In instead. Select the free plan option and click on Continue for free to proceed. Input your email address and click on Sign Up to register. Copy the password provided and close the setup screen once you have copied your password. Select your device and click the Download app. Open the ProtonVPN app, enter the email and password, and click on Sign In. Skip or take the introductory tour as desired and click on Connect to start the VPN connection. With the free plan, the connection will be to a random server. With paid plan, you can choose the server. Explore ProtonVPN features and settings as needed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.